أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My dear Christians, I am your Islamiyat teacher Muhammad Idris from Chandbagh School. Today I will teach you Hadith number 9, and you know very well it is your topic Hadith literature. First of all, as you know very well, Hadith has two parts. One is teaching and the other is how Muslim can practice these teachings. So, I will recite the Hadith along with translations. وَمَا أَكَلَ أَحَدٌ طَعَامًا قَطٌّ خَيْرٌ مِنْ أَنْ يَأْكُلَ مِنْ عَمَلِ يَدَيْهِ. Translation: no one eats better food than that which he eats out of the work of his hand. The students, now the teaching of this hadith. The teaching of this hadith refers the importance and dignity of manual labor and confers that reward for lawful earning. The hadith encourages man to work hard to earn his living by lawful means. The Quran also commands Muslims to strive hard to earn their livings. As the Quran says, on earth will be your dwelling place and your means of livelihood. The Prophet, peace be upon him, says, the one who earns his living by the sweat of his brow is a friend of Allah. Prophet, peace be upon him, at another place says, earned his living by trading and grazing sheep. इस तलबा आप ये एक तस्वीर भी देख सकते हैं जिसमें ये कुछ लोग जो हैं वो मेहनत मजदूरी कर रहे हैं, लेबर कर रहे हैं. Now the second part of this hadith, how Muslims can practice of these teachings. Earning one's living through lawful means is a compulsory duty on every Muslim after their obligatory act of worship. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, to search for lawful earning is a compulsory after the obligatory acts. Muslim should adopt lawful means of income, earning through lawful means such as gambling, usury, bribery, and betting, etc., is prohibited. Trading of unlawful things such as selling wines or running casino are also forbidden. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, a body which has been nourished by unlawful things shall not enter paradise. Dear students, you can see these two pictures. Islam has also forbidden all forms of earning which harm interest of individual or society. For example, bribery, hoarding of goods, monopoly, and profiteering. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, no doubt you had better gather the bundle of wood and carry it on your back and earn your living thereby, rather than ask somebody who may give you or not. अज़ीज़ तलबा, रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की यह हदीस ہمیں موٹیویٹ کرتی ہے، انکرج کرتی ہے کہ ہمیں مینول کام کرنا چاہیے، ہمیں محنت مزدوری کرنا چاہیے، نہ کہ کچھ لوگ محنت مزدوری سے اوائڈ کرتے ہیں اور بھیک مانگنا شروع کرتے ہیں۔ تو محنت مزدوری کرنا رسول اللہ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کی سنت ہے۔ آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم بذات خود ٹریڈنگ بھی کرتے تھے اور بکریاں بھی چراتے تھے۔ عزیز طلبہ، now this is assignment for you. The teaching of Hadith. Number 2, how Muslim can put these teachings into practice. عزیز طلبہ، مجھے امید ہے کہ آپ اپنا کام کر رہے ہوں گے، ان ویڈیو لیکچرز کو دیکھ رہے ہوں گے اور ساتھ ساتھ اپنا کام بھی کر رہے ہوں گے۔ I advise you to look at these, to listen these lectures and respond accordingly by sending us your assignments back. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.